Let's look at the tools that we need for Android programming. We would need Android Studio and Genymotion. Android Studio is the IDE and Genymotion is the emulator. If you see, I have provided both the links over here, but let's go over to a browser. And if you see, I used the Android Studio URL over here. You can just look at the web page, download Android Studio just by clicking over here. Once you press download, you can go over the terms and conditions, read over the entire terms of conditions. That's what I would recommend. You would want to go over each and every point provided here just to know about what Android Studio is offering you or what different increment you get into. And once that's done, just click download and it will start downloading your Android Studio for you. Once you're downloaded, you can look at what are the next steps that you can do with Android Studio. You can read over the steps over here, or you can continue following this video. There are also some additional SDK packages that are available. If you want to use it, you can download them just by following these steps right over here. Google makes it much easier for you to follow each and every step to easily install Android Studio. Next, Genymotion. So Genymotion is available at genymotion.com. You can go right over to the web page and click on buy Genymotion button. You don't have to actually buy it. It's available for free for personal use, and you can just go over here, click on the download button, and it will start down. It actually will not start downloading. It will take you to the downloads page where it will show you what all you can do, or if you want to upgrade your account, you can upgrade. You can scroll all the way to the bottom of the page where you can find the actual download link for your system. So mine is MacBook, so I'm going to download this version right over here. Clicking on it, it will ask you to sign in, so you'll need to create an account. If you don't have an account, I would say go create an account. If not, you can just enter your username and password and press the sign in button. Once you click on sign in button, it will take you to the downloads page and start downloading Genymotion for you. It will tell you congratulations, and the download will start. Once you have completed the entire download process, which will take a few minutes for me, so I'm going to just fast forward to the next part where there you go. So we have both my files downloaded. I have my Android Studio and Genymotion here. I'm going to click on Android Studio and install it. It will ask me to move to the applications in Mac. I'll go ahead and do that. You can follow the instructions on Windows just by pressing next and installing at the proper place where you want to. Once that is done, I'll probably install Genymotion 2 at the same time. I'm gonna open that zip folder and unpack Genymotion and start installing. Again, the same thing. I'll move them to applications because I would want to use them quite a lot. So once everything is moved to applications folder, I can go ahead and open up my applications folder, and I'll see my recent installs over there. I can try to open Android Studio and see if it installed properly. I'll open Genymotion and see if that installed properly. It'll ask me to open because it's the first time it's running it, and once it opens up, it will ask me, do I want to import from my previous project settings. I am installing it first time here, so I'm just gonna say I do not want to import anything and just go ahead with the next step. Once that's done, I have my Android Studio open up. It'll take a few minutes first time, but once you open it, it will show you all the different things, all the cool things that you can do, what type of install you want. I'm just gonna select standard install. Just go ahead and press finish. It's gonna take a few minutes for it to completely download the SDKs and everything on your computer. By that time, let me go ahead and open up Genymotion. Once Genymotion opens up, I guess it's taking, okay, there you go, open. And once Genymotion opens up, I can go ahead and look at all the different devices. I have pre-installed some of them before. You can actually install more emulators by clicking on Okay, it's asking me for password for, I guess, installing Android Studio. That's my computer password. But anyway, coming back to Genymotion, I have some emulators already launched. You can add some more by pressing the add button. Inside add, you can see all the different versions you can install. You can also see all the different device types. There's a lot of different device types that you can select. Each device shows you more detail about that particular device, so you can select whatever you want and select it. I'm going to go back and open one of the pre-installed emulator from this list. So let me pick this Google Nexus 7. We open it. The reason we install Genymotion is much more faster than the Android virtual device available with Android Studio. And there you go, it's opening up and it will show you the opening screen, and our emulator opens up. Once I have emulator open up, in the background you see I have Android Studio still being installed, and there you go, my Android Studio is completely installed. It shows me the welcome screen where it shows me if I want to install, and usually what I do is I keep them side by side. Both of them are installed successfully, and I think we are ready to write some code now. That's pretty awesome. So we're going to start with some projects using Genymotion and Android Studio.